Craving for delicious food with an amazing view of the wide lawn and white sand beach in San Juan? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Maayong adlaw, this is J Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. Siquijor Sunset Glamping Village, Bitaog Restaurant serves delicious food. Chicken cordon bleu worth 295 pesos, grilled pork steak worth 300 pesos, chop suey worth 400 pesos, Pansit Canton Guisado for 310 pesos, fish tinola worth 295 pesos, perfect sa mahilig humigop ng sabaw. Mango and watermelon shake worth 150 pesos each. Note, you can avail 20% senior citizen discount provided may valid ID ang senior citizens na kasama mo. We enjoyed all the food we ordered kasi masarap sa panlasa namin. Aside from restaurant, meron din silang bar where you can order your favorite cocktails. And after nyong mabusog, mag-swing under a giant bitaog tree or sit at the benches sa may lawn or sa may beach area or mag-relax sa swing facing the sea. TikTok shop alert! Don't forget to apply Bello Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen or Tinted Sunscreen when going out to the beach. Check the yellow basket for current offers by Bello Sun Expert. By the way, merong fully functional gym sa Siquijor Sunset Glamping Village. Stay fit and healthy kahit nakabakasyon. Again, this has been J Perpetual Kid and we tasted the delicious food served at Bitaog Restaurant within Siquijor Sunset Glamping Village. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!